How to lose 12 pounds in a day. I'm going to talk about EBA. As you see, it's going to be a weight issue. We're talking about apologise, it's not in kilograms. In this country, I think we're a bit fanatical about losing weight, and it's always in pounds or stones. So that's where we're from. This is Barrow-in-Furness gas terminals, 3 of them, North, South and Rivers terminal. Rivers is our sour gas terminal, H2S, hydrogen sulphide. When Centrica started back in the early 2000s, they expected about 4,000 ppm of H2S. In the end, it was about 2,500 ppm come up. But we have an acid plant, and we concentrated up to 65% H2S. So you can imagine you would want a mouthful of that. So in the early days, we had this set, which is an Illy Sabre set, basically a PVC wraparound, steel cylinder, very, very heavy. You know, we're talking about 22 pounds worth of weight on your back. And these had to be worn all the time on this plant. So design and onwards, we tried to get something improved. We had a carbon fibre one introduced. We improved the vest, better design, better harness, a lot more comfy. So, you know, a way forward, definitely. That's the one there, so the lovely Anna's wearing that for us. She's our health nurse on site. You can see the backpack with the carbon fibre bottle. The harness is quite comfy. You've got the hood in the pocket on the left. But it's still quite heavy, and you can imagine wearing that all day. We've got people, an ageing workforce, and obviously problems with people complaining. Also, there's a safety issue as well. You know, people climbing, you know, stairs, ladders, etc. So we needed to do something else. So a team was put together. You know, it was led by the safety reps and the shift guys, which was great. They wanted to buy in. We had the management, production, maintenance involved, and we knew we needed something lighter weight. We needed some sort of filtered escape hood for the North terminal only. So this is it. This is an Avon EH20 we brought in to start trialling. It's got a filter in the mask, as you can see. It's got a neck seal, and it's like putting your head in a plastic bag. It's like putting the old chicken in the microwave job, as you can imagine, but it's only for escape purposes. Advantages, fantastic. You know, it's easy to deploy, no maintenance issues, a long shelf life of 5 years. Obviously, it's got to do some good. It's got to get rid of the musculoskeletal issues we're starting to see. Size comparison, you know, I think that the picture does say 1,000 words there. You know, all the high-vis stuff you can see is the bottle set. The little black pack that you put on your belt, weighing less than, you know, a pound, massive difference. There are disadvantages. Obviously, it's a 1-unit shot, so you use it, it goes in the bin. Can't recycle it because of the CE marking. But the other issue we have to find out, because of this 65% H2S, we needed a dispersion model sorted out. So the manufacturer tells us it's 5,000 ppm, but we weren't too sure. We wanted a real-world test, so we took it along to HSL Labs at Buxton, and I'm sure you've met a few of them guys and girls the last couple of days. We used their chamber. It was talked about this morning on the RPE session, using a salt aerosol challenge. We had 6 volunteers from our site, safety reps mainly, who undertook the simulated exercises. That was back in February 2013. The results were good. As long as you was done properly, fitted correctly, we got up to sort of protection for around about 10,000 ppm in the chamber. We put a safety factor into that of 1 in 5, and we come away with 2,000 ppm, our maximum use concentration. The green circle in the middle, I mentioned the dispersion model. That's our 2,000 ppm limit around the acid plant on the sour gas plant. So we've got to make sure we've got that demarcation from the main site. The trial went ahead using the shift personnel. They had a hood and a H2S monitor, but these masks are only for use on the North terminal, not on the sour gas one. You've still got to have a bottle set for that because of the high concentrations. The green line through the middle is the demarcation. It's a physical barrier on site which signs up. So if you're wearing your EH20 hood on one side, you can't go through. You've got to put a bottle set on. So that was a big learning, a big training exercise we had to make sure the guys understood. The old trial went so well, we've passed that on to other teams now. Everybody can wear it on the North Terminal. Been really positive, and definitely a reduction in musculoskeletal complaints. We took another mask to HSL now, a sunstream mask as a backup, so that went really well. So how do you lose 12 pounds in a day? Well, easy. One day you've got this bottle on your back, struggling along the site, which is a big site. Next day you put an EH20 on. Easy days. Thanks very much.